you looking for the best car carpet shampoo? In this video, we will break down the top 5 car carpet shampoos on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
This is one of Bissell's most powerful carpet shampoo formulas that fights ground in dirt, stains, and tough odors. It is safe on carpet, upholstery, and area rugs. On top of that, it is great for heavily soiled areas, underlying odors, and tough stains. Containing zero heavy metals, phosphates, or dyes, it is a biodegradable shampoo. This means it is safe to use around kids and pets when used as directed. For use in upright vacuums, this powerful Bissell carpet shampoo weighs 3.5 pounds and leaves carpet smelling fresh. After 3 hours went by, the smell went away. This concentrated carpet shampoo is worth every penny and saves you time and money in the long run. For hyper-concentrated car carpet and upholstery cleaner, consider the Chemical Guys Upholstery Shampoo. This quality pick tackles grime on carpets, seats, and floor mats. The professional-grade formula contains no detergents and has a low moisture content for a quick-drying feel after each use. The cleanser has a high suds consistency that is infused with oxygen to effectively lift and separate dirt particles. This carpet shampoo also removes odors with patented enzymes that target odor-causing microbes, and it leaves behind a pleasant citrus scent. Dilute the concentrated cleaner with water in a separate spray bottle and mist surfaces with a light coat before scrubbing with a brush or microfiber cloth. "3D Upholstery and Carpet Shampoo" is applied as a concentrate. To use, add 1 to 2 ounces of shampoo to a gallon of water. You have control over the strength depending on the cleaning job, and your bottle makes a lot of cleaner. This is a high-foaming product that is best used with a carpet brush or dual-action polisher. You will definitely want to keep this product away from your hot water extractors. Plus, this product includes an odor eliminator, very useful when tackling some of those smelly carpet cleaning jobs. 3D does mention that you should treat tough stains with a separate spot remover before cleaning with their shampoo, and they have good intentions and reasons for this recommendation. Cleaning with the 3D product after treating tough stains with a separate spot remover helps rinse out the spot eliminator, which is probably an aggressive chemical. Also, you reduce the possibility that a ring from the treated spot reappears over time. The Chemical Guys Lightning Fast Carpet and Upholstery Stain Extractor is a great option because you can spray it on, wipe it off, brush it in, vacuum it out, or even use it with an extractor machine. The formula lifts dirt and grease caused by beverages, pets, and other factors, and then removes it. This spot and stain remover will not discolor or fade the carpet, and it's dilutable. In addition to carpets, you can use this product on upholstery, fabric, furniture, etc. It's easy to use and designed to prevent additional staining. The product is also an odor eliminator and cleans and deodorizes simultaneously. All you have to do is spray it on the carpet, agitate the area, then wipe it clean. You don't need to scrub or brush very hard to remove set-in stains and grime. Get the most out of your carpet cleaner by filling it up with a powerful, effective cleaning solution. Carpet shampoos for machine cleaners are designed to lift tiny particles of dirt and other grime from your carpet fibers with a low suds formula that won't require excessive rinsing. While nearly every brand of carpet cleaning machine produces its own carpet shampoo for use in their machines, the reality is that you can use any carpet shampoo you choose as long as you follow the manufacturer's instructions for dilution. Oxiclean Large Area Carpet Cleaner is a popular choice as a carpet shampoo for machine cleaners of all brands. The brand's stain-fighting formula is available for a variety of household cleaning needs, including freshening your carpets, rugs, and upholstery. This carpet shampoo has a pH level of 10, which means that it's alkaline and readily binds to more acidic organic materials, like spilled coffee, greasy spots, or dirt.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.